Transferring your 401k to Robinhood can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. First, it is essential to understand that Robinhood does not directly support 401k accounts. But you can roll over your 401k into an individual retirement account or IRA with Robinhood. To begin, you need to check with your current 401k plan administrator to see if you are eligible to roll over your account. Typically, you can do this if you have left your job or if your plan allows for in-service withdrawals. Next, you will need to open a traditional IRA account with Robinhood, which can be done through their website or mobile app. You will need to provide some personal and financial information to complete the application process. Once your IRA account is open, you can initiate the rollover process by contacting your 401k plan administrator and requesting a distribution. You will need to specify that you want to roll over the funds into an IRA and provide the administrator with the details of your new IRA account. The plan administrator will then send you a check or transfer the funds directly to your new IRA account. It is crucial to ensure that the funds are sent directly to the IRA account, as this will help you avoid any potential taxes or penalties. It is also important to note that you have 60 days to deposit the funds into your new IRA account to avoid any taxes or penalties. If you fail to do so, the distribution will be considered taxable income, and you may be subject to a 10% penalty. Finally, once the funds are in your new IRA account, you can begin investing in a range of assets, including stocks, ETFs, and options. Robinhood offers commission-free trading, which can help you save money on investment fees. In summary, transferring your 401k to Robinhood involves checking your eligibility, opening a traditional IRA account, initiating the rollover process, and ensuring the funds are sent directly to the IRA account. By following these steps, you can successfully roll over your 401k and start investing in your future with Robinhood.